going on, guys? Johnny coming back at you with the entire family here for another exciting adventure on Johnny's Corner. Today is Global Magnet Fishing Day, and we are all going to get out here and magnet fish this dock. We have traveled about an hour and 35 minutes out here. Let's see what it has to offer. We'll see you on the dock. Yeah, buddy.
This one is for Becky.
That one's for Bucky.
This one is for Miss Maggie.
Good job, Boo.
This one is for Bucky and Maggie.
Yeah, buddy.
I got hopping.
You did? What'd you get already? What'd you get already? A screw. Put it in the bucket. Yeah, buddy. Bucky, we're feeling it for you, buddy. On Global Magnet Fishing Day, we wish you were here, so we all tossed out in honor of you, buddy. Bucky, this is for you and Maggie. Hope everybody's getting the chance to get out and do some cleaning of the waters for Global Magnet Fishing. We are having a blast here today. We got everybody out here.
Yeah.
We got Yeet Princess Riley, we got Ellie Belly, we got Maddie, and we got little Boo who just tossed her magnet. Whoop, whoop. Maybe it's just the magnet. Nope. Well, we got a nail. We got a nail, guys. Matt just stepping on that, swimming down there. That's why we're cleaning up the waters. Yeah, buddy. You got it unstuck? Yeah, buddy. Are you kidding me? Yeah, buddy, what you got? Pull it off. Pull. Ooh. It goes to something, some kind of bumper pad. Into the bucket for you. You need your gloves on, girl.
I know.
What you got, Rye?
Another fishing hook and a lure that I found sitting on the dock right next to me, and I was like, "Oh my God, there's an octopus next to me."
Sweet. An octopus, huh?
But then
You're
I
silly.
realized it was a fishing hook.
You are silly. Nice. We have some nice looking hooks on here. Check them out, guys. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo, buddy. What do we got? Oh, we got some grizzly long cut and a nail on there. Man, pick up your cans, guys. As a fellow dipper, don't throw it in the water. Woohoo. What do we got? Got a piece of red metal here. That is pretty interesting. Getting that out of the water. Into the bucket. What do you got? Show the camera. All right, the Yeet Princess got something. What did you get?
So I got a screw.
Nice, a nut and a bolt. I mean, no. You got a bolt and some washers. Yeah, buddy. What you get? What you get? Tiny little hook. Yeah, buddy, put it in the bucket. You should be wearing gloves, goof. Ooh, got pull right there, but it won't pull it up. So I think that's the foundation to the dock. Well, let's see. Whoa, buddy. Nailed it. Yeah, buddy. Look at all them nails getting out of there. That is awesome. Into the bucket. Yeah, it's the foundation of the dock. Oh, wow. Oh, there's something on there. What do we got, guys? What do we got? We got a snail, which we're going to throw back in the water. Some paper that came off of this battery starting to disintegrate. And a nail. Good to get that out of the water. Now we're going to go ahead. Now we're going to go ahead and splash Riley. What'd you get? Nice.
Oh, and a nail.
Nailed it. Got another nail. These guys. What you got? What you got? Lures? What do you got? Hold on. Oh, you're coming over? Wow, look what Riley found, guys. She found a gorgeous looking spinnerbait. That is gorgeous. That's a spinnerbait, girl.
It has 2 hooks on it. There's 2 hooks hanging off of it.
Yeah, hey, high five, buddy. Woo! Oh, I'm on your rope, my bad. Well, another snail. Scrap. Some more nails. Oh, nice. Mommy says she's pulling up something. What do you got? What? What is it? It's pretty cool. What do you think it is?
It seems to be a box or something. Has holes in the back.
Pretty cool.
Maybe a box with a switch.
Maybe. Well, everybody's pulling up all sorts of stuff except for Johnny. He's getting all these nails. It's not easy using a chest cam, is it? Whoa! What was that?
I guess the fish wanted me.
Got something on there.
Oh, look, Daddy, look.
We got ourselves a bottle cap. Yeah, nice. We got a bottle cap. All right, guys, so we went ahead and tried driving down the road a little bit further. We found another boat ramp that we're gonna go ahead and give a try on. You already got something already? Yeah, buddy, what is it?
Looks like a bottle cap with this side folded. Or it could be a coin.
It's an old bottle cap. Into the bucket.
Oh!
What do you got? Oh, no way. Pull it up. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Pull it away from the thing. Pull it up. Yeah.
It's not magnetic besides these 2 things.
Riley found herself a strap. Package strap. She got that up and out of the water. What? Oh, there she goes. She's doing the princess dance.
Woo! Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter in the cup. Yeah.
These guys are goof nuts. Ooh, what was that? I just felt something. Yeah, magnets are in. Here we go. All hands on deck. Go, 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 go. Can't do the wind up. Boom! Boom! Oh, what is that? What is that? Looks like a checker piece. And I kid you not, Maddie, every single time I get a J. A J. Yeah, buddy. Ellie's using the 550. What's your technique? How do you magnafish with a single side? You dipping it in the water?
Like I'm doing a, you know.
Jig. Silly. No, it hasn't been my day either. I got a bunch of nails and
I haven't caught anything. It's been my weekend. We caught everything. Fishing.
Oh, nice. You got a swivel. Into the bucket. Good job. Uh-oh, she's stuck. There you go.
You got something?
Yeah, it's coming. It keeps going under the dock.
Okay.
I'm gonna need your help.
Yeah.
It might be a bike again. Nope, it's not a bike. It's a chair. What? Don't get that all over you.
Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Back up. Back that way. Go that way. Where's this metal?
Oh, I thought it was stuck underneath one of those.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah, but no, it's magnetic.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's green.
Well, now I know.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, buddy. There you go, Maddie. I got your seat.
I'm not sitting on that. Oh, that's different.
Let me see. Uh-oh. Pull it right off. All right, guys. We just got something else here. It's another heavy thing. It's coming. We got to go slow with it. I don't want to lose it. What do we got? Oh, oh, no. No. It's still there. It's still there. It grabbed it. Check it out. Oh, God, is it heavy. What do you think it is, right?
Another bike?
Can you imagine that? 3 bikes from one dock? Nope. We got, I don't even know what that
It's a
is.
fishing pole.
We got a fishing pole and a chair, guys. Are you kidding me? Oh. Woo. Grab the fishing pole. Wait, don't pull that up on the deck yet. Check it out, guys. Woo-hoo. We're gonna clean off this chair before we pull it up on the deck and get it all dirty. Global Magnet Fishing Day is paying off. Huh? My best thing, I found some bird traps from the 1800s. Woo! Kratos Magnetics, baby! Woohoo! Oh, let me see the fishing pole we got, Rye. Let's check it out. We got a crusty, rusty fishing pole. Oh, guys, what a gorgeous pole.
You say you couldn't get anything cool. What about those 2
I finally started pulling in some stuff. Yeah, buddy. Show your mother. Woo! Chair number 2. So we got 2 chairs, 2 fishing poles. Maddie's digging out the claw. Whew. Look how beautiful she is. Look at that wind just blowing. Look gorgeous.
Love you guys.
What you got? What? Get out of here. Look at what Riley got. She grabs a hook. Careful, it's got a hook on it right here, baby girl. Here, show the camera. What did you get? She got a couple of hooks with a lead sinker. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, God. And another.
There you go. Put it in the bucket.
How many fishing things am I
Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm stuck or what. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh. I had something heavy on there. What'd you get?
I got that. Buttercup.
It's green.
I know. I have no idea how to spray it.
Smirnoff.
Is it?
That's an apple Smirnoff.
Oh, my.
Your favorite. Hold on. I just missed it. You just pulled up another fishing pole?
Yeah. I've been pulling and dragging something. You rolled it. It just clicked on right. Look at that big one. That's what it clicked on.
Another Zebco. Nice.
And it still has the fishing line.
Yeah,
attached.
buddy. Yeah.
Look at that.
Guys, we are at 2 chairs, 2 fishing poles. We're crushing it today, guys. 2 poles, 2 chairs. Woohoo! Riley's crushing it with the fishing lure finds today. It's mine. You can't take that. We got anything? Feels pretty light. Oh, we do got something. Guys. Got a piece of wire. Oh, no. Got ourselves a piece of wire here, guys. Not bad. Put that into the bucket. Got another true can lid. No, that's another top to a toucan. Broken, but yeah. Oh, got the spark plug. Oh, and we caught a cool lure. Get the spark plug out of there. And where'd the lure go? Right there.
And a hook.
And a hook. Yeah, buddy. Into the bucket. There it is. Ah.
Maybe it's stuck in the Maybe another fishing pole that is injected into the
Whoa, whatever it is. We just got a piece of it. Look at that, guys. What is that? Looks like an old ratchet strap piece. Could be both of them. I doubt it, but it's cool. I'm gonna say ratchet strap piece. Yeah, buddy. Oh no! Got a boo-boo playing on the rocks? Hold it. What do you got? What is it? Here. Oh. Look what Riley found, guys. Oh, we lost it. We lost it, but it had a hook on it. Probably a bungee cord. Check them out. Into the bucket. We got stuck. Are you kidding me? Get out of here. It looks like the same.
No.
No, that's Dad's. That's mine.
No, it's not.
That's mine. That's a Milwaukee. Oh.
It's kind of
Guys, check it out. It's a Milwaukee blade. Good catch, babe.
Thank you.
Sweet. Mom just found a knife, right? Mom just found a knife. Ooh, I just got something. All the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. All them bubbles just popped up. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Nothing. Oh, wait. Yes, we do. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Got an old school bottle opener. That is so cool. Into the bucket. Oh, are you kidding me? With the Athena. What? Guys, check her out. We got a flashlight attached. Or no, that's not a flashlight. That's a red light. Nope, it is a flashlight. We got an old school flashlight with a clamp on here, guys. Maddie, look what I just pulled up using Riley's magnet. Riley, I just pulled this up using your magnet. Red and green flashlight with a clamp. That is so cool, guys. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but there's red and green on there. Ooh. Ooh. Was that just the... It feels heavier. Oh, I think it just let go. Yeah. Nope. I got something. Yeah. We got ourselves a shock. Into the bucket. We got some nails. And a Cayman Jack's bottle cap. Look at all that. Woo, baby. Just tossing it back in the water. I think I got something on there. It's pulling the magnet. And it just let it go. Dang it. Oh, it's fishing wire. We got some fishing wire in here, guys. Fishing line. Clean that all up. Getting that out of there. You guys get anything yet? Tangled.
Yes.
What'd you get?
A screw, another screw, a hook, and then a tiny little piece of scrapping.
Yeah. Oh! What is that? Another one. Another light attached to a bracket. Shoreline Marine. What kind of light is that, guys? If you know what it's for, let me know in the comments below. That is the second one of the day. Yeah, buddy. Into the bucket. Woo! Are you kidding me? Is that a fishing pole holder? No, that looks... Is that a steering wheel holder? What? That's not a bike holder. Not a bike holder. What do you call them things? That looks like a steering wheel lock. Get out of here! That is so cool, Maddie. Sweet find.
It has a weird handle. Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think this goes on the inside of the steering wheel and it cranks down and holds it on the other side. Uh-oh. Oh, we just freed her up.
Wow. Oh.
All right, guys, so that's going to take us into today's shout-out channel. Please go check out our friend Mike over here with Magnet Mike. He's an awesome guy, great supporter of the community. He's in a lot of lives. He does some magnet fishing, and I'm telling you what, guys, he's at like 68 subscribers. Let's go ahead and get his count up. Go ahead, check out Magnet Mike right here. Smash that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and ring his bell, ding ding, to get all his latest notifications. Guys, I would greatly appreciate if you would go check him out. Now, let's keep fishing. Pulling hers up. Who's got it? Who's gonna be the first one? Nothing. I think we both got nothing. I had feel nothing on mine. Oh, there is something. What? Are you kidding me? Check that out. Ow, ow, ow. Let me see it. Check it out, guys. Miss Riley pulled that off of my magnet. Pretty sweet.
This is what I found.
Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up Global Magnet Fishing Day. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know we had a blast here. You know, it's so good to get out here, clean this beautiful water, let everybody have some fun. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click the subscribe button and ring our bell, ding ding, to get access to all the latest notifications. Thank you so much for those returning. And if you're new, welcome to Johnny's Corner. Appreciate having you guys, but we'll see you on the other side.
Johnny just dipped in. Where he's gonna come out, who knows? There he is.